back to our channel. We are going to be fixing the neutral safety switch on the John Deere tractor. Gotta locate your neutral safety switch, which is down here on a
side of the transmission.
Side of the transmission. On this 3038E John Deere. You're gonna need a 7/8 wrench. First thing you gotta do is go up here and unplug the thingy thing.
The neutral safety switch.
The neutral safety switch. Now you gotta take your wrench and stick it up here at an angle. Alright. Now we can break it loose. And then unscrew it. So you reach up there and you unscrew it.
Apparently there's hydraulic fluid behind that. Somebody's going to go get washed off because they took a bath. And now I'll tighten it back up. Tighten the new one up. Make sure it's good and tight.
I'm back. Now just spray it off with some brake cleaner.
All right.
Now we will just plug it up, and now we'll just go test the thing. Make sure your parking brake's on, put it in neutral, and crank it up.